So hello there and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are tying an Icelandic pattern by Kristján Gíslason, and we are using a red 8/0 uni thread. This pattern is called IÐA, and IÐA is an, like I say, all Icelandic pattern, and it's beautiful fly, simple fly, and it's effective. The hooks we are using, it's just a standard double, Ahrex standard double, and it's size 8. So we start by attaching the thread to the shank of the hook like we already done, and the next step would be to take 2 short hackle feathers of a blue or a dark blue rooster, and we use the tip of the feather for a tail. So you take 2 of them like this and tune in the length of the tail. On the picture they look like dark, you can see they are blue, but they look like they are like black, but they ain't black, they are blue actually. And I figured that out later on. Just when I started to edit the video, I figured out my shirt or t-shirt is blue, and it merges with that. The body of the fly is made out of this tinsel. It's a not tinsel, chenille, sorry. It's a silver chenille from Hareline dubbin. It's a nice material to work with, and it's like I said, it's quite a simple fly. So we snip off this end there before we start to wrap and form the body. And the body is like, it's just made out of the chenille. This fly actually does not only catch salmon, it catches Arctic char as well, and even a sea trout. So it's probably one of Kristján's best flies. He made many flies. He made and designed krabla and skruggur, and I will be tying not all of his patterns, but quite a few of them. And for the beard of the fly, or the collar, we are using the same color as the tail, and it's fine with the feathers. So the tip of the feathers are like about touching the point of the hook. And since this fly is like number 8, we can add a little bit more fibers to the beard. So it's something like that. Then we lock that in with a few tight wraps. And I thought about it to use like an orange thread for this fly. I think that could be coming out pretty cool as well. It's originally with a red thread, but it will be more like, definitely more visible in the water if you tied it with a black thread. The wing on the fly, that's a black squirrel, which we are using from Vineyard. And I have the squirrel there. It's one tail I'm just about to finish. And it's like I said, it's a relatively simple pattern, but it's a very beautiful fly in its simplicity, and it's very effective. Then we simply just prepare the squirrel, and I don't use a hair stacker for this work because I like to take out the underfur just with my fingers and measure the length of the wing like this, and then trim the end of the wing. and and then place like a little piece of a varnish on the on the very end of the squirrel. And you can see that they're like kind of glued together, so it won't go anywhere. It's gonna make a stronger head on the fly, definitely. Just like this, build up the head of the fly and we are almost done. It's that simple, this fly. It's a beautiful fly and it's a good fly. Good to have in your box, and even tied on a single hook, number 10 or something, like a wet fly. Try it like that for trout, brown trout, and you should get some good results. I want to know if you try some of those Icelandic flies and if you catch something. Post it in the comments, please. I would love to hear from you guys. Then the paint work is the only thing left. Is to place a nice coat of varnish on the head, and that's about it. There you have it, the IÐA Fly. I wanted to, just before saying goodbye, just thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until then, take care.